Right, well, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, I'm not glad none today because, almost 3 years I didn't meet the best in the world was seeing us today to tell about English. Mr. Safatullah will come back for our community today. We're sharing idea about, how to practice English, how to learn English, how to improve our English. Because I never get bored, not to say my voice again and again, but from this to the end of the day, not only people, but also animals can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. And now, I never get bored, a lot of people want to learn English, right? Today, talking about pets. Right, exactly. I don't have pets, but not only cat, but also fish, monitor lizard, dan, turtle, or rabbit, or anything else. But I do love cat, but when, at the time, when I was a kid at the time, 2002 at the time, I got a lot of cat at the time, very adorable cat, yellow, not yellow, white, black, brown, cat, tan, black. I do love that, all of that cat. We call that village cat or kucing kampung. Exactly, I don't have Angora cat, but I do love all of type of cat. And now, even though I don't have a cat, and my sister hosts now, but if cat cutting with my host, about visiting my host, I will give little bit about fish or rice, anything about cakes, bread, anything about that, because I do love cat so much. Cat make me happy when I police cat. This make me very totally awesome for me, because this not like a dog, but cat very adorable, very cute for me. Then like dog or rabbit or mongoose, cat, that cat, then that. Alright, that's my time. I do love so much for cat. This is my pet, even though I don't have a cat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.